It's nice and cloud-driven, nice and quiet. I say nice with the clouds because it's keeping us mild, but there's all that mess from the west to the south. We'll be pooling in more and more moisture, and it's not just the rain we're tracking. It's stronger winds, colder air, so really relish this milder air. It is so nice for October 30th to be at 57 degrees in Albany.
It's an incredible afternoon up here. The sun is shining. It's bitter cold. The winds are not letting up, but it's awesome. The gondolas are going. Those hundreds of snow guns are going. And I got to catch up with Emily, the marketing director here at Gorham Mountain. She says they're hoping, stay tuned, but they are hoping to open this weekend thanks to the conditions that are so favorable.
Today, it's slow moving with that mercury, getting to the low to mid 40s throughout the end of the morning into the afternoon. And it's not so wet just yet. Light drizzle to the north, but as those showers start to pick up by the mid to late morning, still some scattered showers at noon. Some of the steadiest rain will hold off until this evening, but that's not good timing for that drive home. Yeah, once it starts raining by that sunset tomorrow and through the overnight, guys, a whole lot of rain, adding up to an inch, maybe 2 inches easy by early Thursday morning. And then look at this. We still have that rain pushing to the north, but with some of the coldest air early Thursday morning in the Adirondacks, those will be some flurries flying, if not a wintry mix, relief even through the overnight. Guys, as you're sleeping, you're going to hear that wind shake the windows. You're going to hear that rain pelt the windows. And even through tomorrow morning, it's still wet. In fact, we may get a break capital region southward by 6 or 7 a.m., but it's still coming through to the north, and this wraps back around. It's not just the wraparound of rain. It's the wraparound and reinforcement of colder air. That means we'll have some wet snowflakes or a wintry mix in the Adirondacks.
Thanks to sharing this 1 inch in April Park. Outside our News 10 studios, I was able to measure about an inch on the weather deck. So again, we're talking about some minor accumulations, but it's enough that with more snow falling, the timing of it all, and still looking at some slick conditions, take it slow, guys. It's incredible to see the radar filling back in. So from a few hours ago when I had more heavy bands right over Albany, we've almost found this dry slot right here in the immediate capital district where it's Albany eastward, but you travel north and south. We're getting some bright banding where it really is intensifying with some of the heavier, juicier snowflakes. Right ahead of it to the north and northwest, it's Hammer and Watertown. Lalbo can getting in on some very heavy snow. For us, as this cold front sinks south, it can spark up a couple of snow squalls, mainly by the early to mid-afternoon, early evening. Just stay alert. It's sometimes those skinny bands that within it, driving conditions really get tough. You can get that quick inch or two on the ground. You get that whiteout condition instantly. So there can be some problems within these squalls later today, but it's not widespread. You just want to be cognizant of it if you have travel plans regionally. Today, a high of 32 degrees. That's it. So it's cold now. It's cold later today.
But even that bright yet hazy view from Stuyvesant Plaza, I loved the chance to see some sunshine with our Stewart Shop Storm Tracker weather camera. Today there will be an abundance of sun before those storms loom, and it's already warm out there. It's 71 degrees in Albany.